We know where it's coming to, right? Oops. I want to do, that's the thing. I want to remove 15 here. At the top of that thing, limit 15 here at the top of that thing. And leave a little runner. Like modify by 5. Limit runner modify by 5. First, yeah. So that's basically the block I'm interested in. That's already 1900. It's after yesterday. Oh my goodness, those freaking fees. Holy guacamole. I see shorts were dominating here, but so far price goes against them, which gives me confidence that I'm doing something right. Right? Here's those guys. Nice. 37. Yeah, after yesterday's liquidation, I just like, I'm sad. 10. I want to do longs are stepping in. Nice. Do they want to test a little something? Okay, I will do 10 more. Stop in like close profits. No, nothing special yet. I will modify by 10. I hope I have time because it's gonna squeeze to the top. All those guys. Where price will go? Most likely we're trading probabilities, guys, and price most likely will go here. 786. I mean 618, or maybe that block. So my point of interest is this, and I mean this. And another, okay, I don't need that, right? I just want to leave these $100 here, just in case. And what else I want to do? 10, 5, yeah, basically that's the goal. What else I want to do? You know what? Yeah, 10 is okay. Squeezy, squeezy. That's some shorts. Majority of them are shorts, and they're under the water right now. So it's gonna be, most likely, it'll go to squeeze those guys out. I don't mind if you, I've seen it yesterday on the stream with my first liquidation in a very long time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, wow, it's already there. Who knew, right? Take them out. Take them out. Just $1 and I'll be happy. Don't be shy. Oh my goodness, nobody's selling. Shit, guys, I wanna... Yeah. So since nobody was selling that, I wasn't interested in that move. You saw? There is no seller. It's like buyer of some passive. Yeah, there was a passive order. Someone was buying that, which is not very pleasant to me. Five, another 5 most likely on this level, right? Yeah, it'll retest something here. Yeah, that's it, done. So I basically made 516. I don't need to trade anymore. Yeah,